cilantro.
Yeah.
Look, this is fun. This is we call them a soup packet.
Yeah. Everything you
Lemongrass.
need. Yeah.
Turmeric fresh.
Yeah.
Have you seen fresh turmeric? The whole
No,
thing?
never. We only have brown sugar. Yeah.
And this is the one also ginger. This is galanga. The soup that you choose today, tom kha gai chicken in coconut milk soup. In Thai, tom kha gai. Tom is the way of boiling. This is the kha. Gai is chicken. So you can smell the McKinsey here.
Oh wow. Yeah.
This is available in Asian shop as Thai food, very popular, like chunk like that, but it's gonna be expensive.
Yeah.
Like in America, like this chunk will be like $4 or $5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today, this one's going to be in our soup.
The big one. This one. Yeah, that looks good.
There's a spring onion, yeah, cut them like 2-3 stuff. Good, you got that.
You can't get a lot fresher than this, can you?
Yeah. Maybe you can see like that.
Yeah.
Wow. Can I go organize?
Like this? Is that enough?
No, the whole
tree.
Oh right, okay.
like this.
Yeah. It's coming now.
Yay!
Well done.
It smells nicer when the hot water.
Oh wow, yeah.
But this is the leaf that we're gonna use for our dessert today
Yeah.
in the coconut milk.
Do you know
But
what?
in the water, you smell more like a creamy smell
Yeah.
when you boil them in hot water.
It's amazing to all the tastes that I can taste of stuff and I don't know what it is. It's all making sense now.
Yeah.
Smelling it all as it comes out.
The cabbage, if you want to add it in, you know the cabbage?
Yeah.
Cabbage just make it sweeter. So.
Yours looks fabulous.
I like different veggie, different color. You see that? You got brown, you got orange, you got white. Put the filling in like about by side, up, right, like a triangle, and then you pull it back. When you pull back, see, you want to make sure the filling, you see, it's like a go along this way.
Yeah.
Tuck it in. See, ties it in until the middle and seal with egg. 1, 2, 3, and you fold 1, you fold 2. See, look like an envelope.
Yeah.
And you tuck it in and go up. Make sure it's sealed. One more. And go have everything on the by side. I add a bit more filling there. When you add more filling, then you get a bigger roll, okay? But you don't want to add too much because it might fall apart, you know, when you fry them. Make sure it's nice and firm. Okay, fold 1, fold 2, see? Tuck it in. Nice and firm. You see that?
You make that look very easy.
So, and then we're gonna fry them and have the oil really. You have to make sure the oil is hot. Check first. If the oil is not hot enough, your spring roll will be really oily. Real good.
Yeah.
Put in the cream them in the middle.
Yeah.
Seasoning with fish sauce.
Yeah. How much?
That's about half a teaspoon.
Okay.
So So this is Panang curry. We're making Panang, and we're making green, but our green one, look at that, beautiful green. See the colors, nice green. Fresh coconut milk, homemade paste, everything's fresh. Like half, maybe a little bit thicker, and then we're gonna finish with the chili and that on top. But before we finish with that, we're gonna have a quick taste.
Nice.
See if we need more fish sauce or too much fish sauce. I haven't seen when you pour them in. I don't know how half for you because sometimes I see different. throw this the red one in. Yeah, you see it. You can replace with green peas, like I said.
Yeah.
Green pea. So we're done. And then I'm gonna put the mango on the rice in the plate for you and bring to the table. Look at that, beautiful.